Hello there! Spring is finally here and it's my absolute favorite season. Let's create something simple, straightforward to just welcome this new delicious season. Let's make a flower choker, a peony choker to be precise. So peonies represent good luck, wealth, abundance, love, all the good vibes basically. So before we turn these circles into petals and then flowers, I'm going to embroider on some ceramic beads in a kind of a similar violet and hot pink shade. Usually I like it when the beads kind of clash with the fabric, but today I'm just feeling very, I'm monochromatic. I just want it all to be one family. Let's keep it simple here. And underneath I just have a layer of linen that I had left over in my scrap bin, just to kind of thicken the petals up a little bit because the silk was kind of hard to manage. Now I'm just folding each petal up in half and basting in the petals one by one until they can form a flower shape. Highly recommend it, super therapeutic. And this looks like it takes a long time, but actually I didn't even finish one full episode of Westworld while doing this, so yeah, just to give you some context. I mean, one of my favorite things about being in the studio and just making things is that I can get through so many audiobooks. I just finished Brave New World and now I'm listening to How to Do Nothing. And as per our blueberry top video, we're going to be making another medieval cloth button, but this time just much bigger. And I'm going to use some scrap fabric to just stuff it up so it's nice and round. And then I'm closing it up by stitching across the bottom of the ball just multiple times and around like a clock. And without cutting the thread, I'm going to attach it to the main flower directly. Isn't she so deliciously luscious now? I stitched on some backing so that we can hide the mess in the back. And then I made a strap with a layer of interfacing just to aid with the structure a bit more. Finally, let's attach the strap onto the back of our cleaned up choker, and I'm just going to fell this in place. And we're done. There's something so peaceful about making flowers compared to like making clothes. There's no fit issues to worry about, and you're just kind of fiddling with things until you reach the perfect level of chaos. If you like this video, please give this a like and subscribe to my channel to see more like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!